I'm going to talk to you today about you better be thinking about summer now. You say, wait a minute, it's just February. Why would I think about summer now? Fixing to tell you why. Now, why would I think about summer now? Well, I have a friend of mine who actually works in a chemical company right here in pretty close to my hometown. And I go to church with him actually. And he said one of the biggest things that is hard for him in the business he's in, supplying wax and cleaning supplies for a school in the summertime, is that people don't think about ahead of time ordering their supplies before summer. They may think, well, okay, it's May, middle of May, Memorial Day's rolling around. I better get my supply list together and I better order supplies for summer. Well, he said the best thing that you can do to help him out and to help yourself out is this. Order those supplies around March, the end of February, March, April. Get those orders in, because what happens is that these companies that they have in these warehouses, a lot of them, they have what they have on hand. Well, then if they're hit all at once and they make an order, then you've got people from all over the country making orders at the same time. The manufacturers can't keep up. The trucks can't keep up or whatever to get the orders to the warehouse from where you order from or the supplier that you order from. So if you go ahead and get that in now, and you go ahead and get that delivered now, or let them know now, say, hey, I want this delivered the 1st of May. And you check back up on that, make sure that that happens. And you may say, well, I can't get a PO until such and such time. Well, that might need to change, because if you've been doing floors very much, if you work in a school system or a big something like that, and maybe you own your own company, you think, man, supplies are kind of harder to get in the summertime. Well, the reason is all the schools are trying to get their floors done the same time that you are. So it's a really good idea to go ahead and get those supplies ordered ahead of time. Your pads, in your wax, your stripper, whatever method that you do. Also, right now is a good time to start doing some maintenance on those machines. You need new squeegees on your auto scrubbers. Right now is the time to get the new squeegees on there. Don't wait till summertime to get that done. If you need a new quarter near slow speed buffer, right now is the time to order it, to get that thing serviced right now. If you need rayon microfiber mops, whatever you need to wax with, right now is the time to get that stuff ordered. Because when school is out, or when time to do floors is, you want to be able to put your hands on the equipment that you need and be able to go to work right then, because you have a limited time to do floors, because you know as well as I do, teachers are going to get back in their classroom. They want to get out of there, but within a week or 2 weeks, they're wanting back in. And so you may have a summer school program that you got to work around or whatever. And if you run out of wax or you can't get wax, that puts pressure on yourself. And I really would say this to the lead custodians out there, administrators, principals, superintendents, anybody. Allow your people to go ahead and get what they need, where they can go to work and get busy. That way they can have a less stressful time with that. You can have a less stressful time with that. And it just helps things. Because I've been in the situations many times where we couldn't get wax because they were back ordered and everybody else wanted it. And it just makes it really tough. So if you'll do that, that will help you out a whole lot and make your summers go a whole lot smoother. And when the time comes, you're ready to hit the ground.
I just want to take a moment and say, hey, thanks for what you do for this channel. Like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. That way you'll know when I post new videos. Because without you guys, man, there would be no reason to do this channel. For you new guys out there, it's been sending me messages and emails. Just keep on chugging. You're going to make it. You're going to be all right. Just keep learning. Never let the job control you. You control the job. Have a great day.